Good morning, students. Welcome to Social Science Class 7. Today, we are going to learn Unit 2 History, Part 2 Emergence of New Kingdom in North India. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the Chauhans. The Chauhans ruled between AD 956 and 1192 over the eastern parts of the present day Rajasthan, establishing their capital at Sakambari. This Rajput dynasty was founded by Simharaji, who was popularly known as founder of the city of Ajmer. The Chauhans were the feudatories of Prathiharas and staunchly stood by them to check the Arab inventions. The last of Chauhan's kings, Prithviraj Chauhan, was considered the greatest of all Chauhan's rulers. He defeated Muhammad Ghori in the first battle of Tarain, found in 1191. However, he was defeated and killed in the second battle of Tarain in 1192. Are you clear, children? Very good. There is a long epic poem, Prithviraja Rasu, composed by the Brat Chand Bardia a few centuries later. The story goes like this: the daughter of the king of Kanauj was to marry. A Suyamvara was held to enable her to choose her husband, but she was in love with Prithviraj and desired to marry him. Prithviraj was the enemy of her father. In order to insult him, the king of Kanauj had not only denied him an invention but had placed the status of Prithviraj as doorkeeper at the entrance to his court. To shock of everyone assembled, the princess rejected the prince present and garlanded the statue of Prithviraj. Indicating her choice, Prithviraj, who had been hiding in the vicinity, jumped in and rode away with the princess in a horse. Later, both of them were married. Are you clear, children? Very good. Now, we are going to see contribution of Rajputs to art and architecture. Art. Rajput courts were the centers of culture where literature, music, dance, painting, fine arts and sculpture flourished. A specific style of Rajput painting, often focusing on religious themes, emerged at Rajput courts. Their style of painting is called Rajasthani. The Rajasthani style of painting can be seen at Bikaner, Jodhpur, Mewar, Jaisalmer, all in Rajasthan. Architecture. The Rajputs were great builders. Some of the important examples of the Rajputs buildings are the strong fortresses of Chittorgarh, Ranthambore and Kumbhalgarh. The example of the domestic architecture of the Rajputs are the palace of the Mansingh at Gohalir, the building at Amber, and lake places at Udaipur. Many of the Rajput cities and palaces stand among the hill in forts or by the side of beautiful artificial lakes. The castle of Jodhpur in Rajasthan is perched upon a lofty rock overlooking the town. The temples the Rajput ruler built have owned the administration of the city. Art the temples in Kanojrahu, the Sun Temple in Konark, the Dilwar Jain Temple constructed in Mount Abu and Kandraya Temple at Madhya Pradesh, or illiteratures examples of their architecture. This all are types of art and architecture is the sculpture of the architectures. The Kanauj in Bundelkhand has 30 temples. The Sikharas of the Kanauj Raj temples are most enclines. The exterior and interior parts of the temples are admired with very fine sculptures. These temples are decided to Jain, Tirthankaras and Hindus deities like Shiva and Vishnu. The Raksha Bandhan tradition is attributed to Rajputs. Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates brotherhood and love. It is believed that if a woman ties a rakhi around the wrist of male members, it means they are treating them like brothers. Such men and placed under an obligation to protect them. Rabindranath Tagore started a mass Raksha Bandhan festival during the partition of Bengal in 1905, in which he encouraged Hindu and Muslim women to tie a rakhi on men from the other community and make them their brothers. The exercise was designed to counter British efforts to create a divide between Hindus and Muslims. Dear children, I hope you all are understood this lesson clearly. Thank you children. Have a nice day.